and do a second line and overlap. Same with you, Andy.
I go overlap as in
The bottom part of this line right here. Overlap, there you go. Nice. Double checking that we're clear on the wrist. Yeah. Our warm color now. Turning counterclockwise. Perfect. And overlap, do it one more time. Okay, we're drawing the outline and the line of demarcation. We just learned about pulling and daubing, which is like making the brush dance across the page from one stroke to the next. Nice. So we've gone into Jabba the Hutt and the knife, making use of the point of the brush. There we go. Push it hard. Push it. Like take it by the sides and pound it. Boom! First drips of the day. There we go. Let me hold it up so I can see it. There you go. Nice job. Okay, I think I got it. So we're doing our rosy cones. You can turn the brush so you can get in those little tiny spots.
start at the bottom and then kind of turn it at the top.
Yeah, you turn it and make it lighter at the top. There you go. Nice. Okay, we're getting ready for our rosy drips coming. Here we go. The king and queen of drips. Here we go. Push that thing. You like them? Good. We're doing crevices. We've done our purple shadows. Getting our crevices done up in the sandstone now, with the thin edge of the brush. Yeah, good job. Okay, getting ready for our purple drips. Come on, kids.
Ready? Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, bang them. 3, boom, 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 boom. There you go. Yes.
I made some splatters.
That's okay too, because you're going to do more at the end. Woo! Purple drips. Yeah. Boom! There it goes. Green drips. Yes, indeed. There you go. There he goes. Drip King. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
We're using our ink to create our striations now. Nice craggy rock striations. Doing our crevices, and they want to be pretty straight, and bringing them in from L shapes is a good idea, because that's where the rain hits and starts to go straight down. So we're avoiding that checkerboard look, and now we're adding some little craggy zigzags. There you go. There you go. maybe make that one go up higher. First
Is that
splats of
looking
it.
all right?
Yep, looking really good. Get close to the paper, make sure it's as flat as you can get it, and just flick it hard. Flick hard. Boom, fast. If it doesn't look like it's working, give it a minute. Now it's starting to work, right?
Yeah.
You don't want your finger to touch the page, and you don't want your brush to touch the page either.
Ooh, that was a good one.
You get a splat.
So that looks all right?
Yeah, go for it. Just flick that thing nice and hard, close to the page. There you go. Andy, you got it. You got it. It's fine if it goes up into the sky. I mean, we want some interest to our piece, right? Why not have a speckly sky? Might even get a UFO while you're doing that. Okay, bring them together a little bit. Come together. There you go. Okay, switching out. Changing colors. It's like the changing of the guard. Okay. There you go. Nice and globby. Streaks are good. Be a kid. A kid with a beard and mustache. How interesting is this? And then signing. Woo! Very important part here. Yes. And the date, 10, whatever it is.
10.
Hi.